It's really
Where
not,
are you?
bro. Mad.
Okay, we're live. How you guys doing? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, all good.
A minute. Let me just bang this on Instagram. Instagram story. Let's go.
You know what? If I can get this on my thingy, I'm gonna do it on the Twitter Spaces as well, because that's where we're
Guys,
definitely.
we are live now on Instagram every Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. You know the vibes. Yes, we got Mika in the place. Yes, Mika, you're gonna love this one, bro. This is a Solana Music NFT special. Live now every Friday, 8 p.m. plus. Zoom. Okay, let's give people a moment. How you guys doing?
Do you know
1st of
what?
September. Playtime's over. Summer's over.
I just realised I um haven't actually even shared the link. I just told loads of people it's live. I didn't share the link.
Alrighty. We got a special one. Right. Should we crack on, Mr. Harding?
Let's go for it. Let's go for it.
Let's go. Okay, let me just get the disclaimer up. Let's get the disclaimer up.
Wait. Have I made you host?
No, not yet.
Yeah. Yo, man's laptop is not trying to turn on.
All right. Yo. What's good, people? It is currently 7 minutes past 8 p.m. UK time. Friday, the 1st of September, 2023. Let's take a quick moment to take in 2023. It's been a crazy year, especially in the financial markets, especially in crypto. Crypto bottomed out in November 2022. And it's definitely been a journey. So thank you for everyone who's tuned in now and or watching the replay every single Friday, 8 p.m. till 9 p.m. UK time since 2022, since early 2022. So we're about 18 months into this now. We do a free weekly webinar called NFT. Sorry?
I said we be here.
Yes, we've been out here. So if you would like to be out here inside the place in this free weekly webinar, all you got to do is go to blockchain.sensei Instagram, click on our link tree, and then click the top link, the game and NFT Fridays. We might be moving away from Linktree. Not that we don't like Linktree, but we've got some alternative partners that I don't want to talk about right now that offer some interesting what do they call it? These kind of like super hyperlink kind of things. So we might change away from Linktree, but yeah, just the link in our bio, and then that's where the Zoom will be. So before we get into today's episode, quick disclaimer, terms and conditions. All content is for education, information, and entertainment purposes only. And it should not be considered as investment advice or a recommendation to buy, sell, hold any assets, nor place any trades. Please do your own what, guys?
Research.
Our content is intended and should only be used for informational use only. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investments, which should be based on your own individual circumstances. Please always pay your debts and bills before making any investments. Pay your child support, etc. You should always take independent professional advice from a professional advisor. Alternatively, independently research and verify all and any information you may find in our show that you may wish to rely upon, whether you wish to make an investment decision or otherwise. All investments come with what, guys? Cairo, you know what investments come with.
Bow. Risk.
It's all about risk. Yes, sir. So do your own research. Neither myself, Mr. Harding, Cairo Sean, anyone from the Blockchain Sensei, or Shuriken Sounds team, or Dubum, or Mika, and everybody else in this stream right now are financial advisors, and we do not intend to be perceived or received as financial advisors. However, we're working in collaboration with several accredited advisors. If you are unable to mitigate your risk, please contact us immediately so we can refer you to an accredited financial advisor. And just to throw it in there, our homie Mika in here is not a financial advisor, but he's soon to be a mortgage advisor. So if there's anybody from Manchester that needs mortgage advice, holler us at Blockchain Sensei and we'll put you in touch with one of our homies.
Jeez, yo, we got the links, we got the links,
We've got the links. Meek is also a prominent Manchester rapper, so yeah, hella multifaceted beings inside here, and I'm sure he'll enjoy this episode because we are covering a music NFT platform built on Solana called Vault. We first mentioned this platform, or our homie did, called Cap, this gentleman over here, he always wears hats, that's why he's called Cap. Not because he lies, he tells the truth, especially when it comes to Solana. Big up Super Team UK, and make sure you check out the previous episode of, actually it wasn't NFT Friday, it was the game stream 10 days ago, and he put us on this platform, and it was only right for us to cover the platform. So let's dive into it. Now, I'm gonna go on this platform as if I've never been on this platform before. And the first thing I'm going to do is that I am going to live apply, because I have applied to be on this platform on behalf of Shuriken Sounds, which is the Web3 music subsidiary of Blockchain Sensei, Music Collective, Web3 Music Solutions, etc. And I will show you guys how easy it is to sign up. Now, we've got artists here watching live, including Cairo Sean, Mika, and I know we have music artists that watch our content. So very quickly, what is Vault? It is a curated music NFT platform, so you must be approved. But it's very, very easy to apply. So I'm going to apply right now, but for Ninja T, my solo artist. So cool. Let's just see how easy this is. Fadlan, Fendi. Let me stop sharing my screen for a second because I don't want to put my number on YouTube.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. That's long.
No, that's long. That's long. We don't want people calling me. Okay. I'm just enter the email. So I'm just entering my number and email right now, and then I'll share the screen again. Okay. That's fantastic. Share my screen again. What is my stage name? Ninja T. What is the country? United Kingdom. Oh, it's quick. Spotify link. Let's go to my Spotify. Ninja T. So I just wanted to live show you how easy it is to apply. If you are a musician and you watch this video and you don't apply, you are literally self-shegging yourself from an emerging music NFT platform for no reason.
Especially when you see how good and easy the platform is to use for your
easy.
fans.
No wallet needed. It doesn't even feel like Web3.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is my Instagram. Okay, TikTok link. Let's go to TikTok. I think it's this.
Yeah, I forgot I even had TikTok.
Ninja T. What is my TikTok? Is it ninjat.eth? Okay, cool. Boom. Okay. Twitter link. It's my Twitter. Cool. Okay. Are you signed to a label? No. How did you hear about us? Okay, this is what I want everyone watching this stream to do. And if you know any music artists, please forward them this video, as I'm sure it'd be very, very informative. Now, what I ask is that at this stage here, you put heard through Blockchain Sensei and Shuriken Sounds through this stream, and then you can either give them the link to this video. Actually, no, give them the link to this video. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them a link to this video. Go here, sounds. Okay, okay. Fun engagement. Yeah, continue. How do you engage through social media platforms
And actual events and a weekly event.
Yeah, IG, TikTok, 2 free live webinars
And a weekly event.
Sorry?
And put the weekly event for Shuriken Sounds, because Ninja T performs there, doesn't he?
Oh yeah, Ninja T does perform monthly event, metaphysical, metaphysical in London. So more info at Shuriken Sounds. By the way, we have our next metaphysical on Thursday, the 28th of September. It's totally free. Web3 and AI music education, free tickets, NFT tickets, mind you, courtesy of C-Lab NFT and the shurikensounds.eth IG bio. And then any music careers where you like support and guidance. Open doors to perform at Web3 and NFT events. Open doors to connect with music industry professionals. Open doors to connect with play to earn games. Wanting music. Do you have any prior experience on knowledge Web3? Yes, I have been in crypto since 2015 and run 2 Web3 companies, Blockchain Sensei and Shuriken Sounds. We're literally almost done, guys. I just thought I'd show you very quickly, live-o, how easy this is. Well, is there any information you would like to know about as an artist? I rap a lot about
Web3, and
crypto.
also say that you're Indonesian. You got an Indonesian fan base.
Oh yeah, I am also bilingual and bicultural.
Do you know what was really mad there? That was one of them rare times where you actually sound like your dad.
So I'm going to go bicultural, Indonesian and Japanese. Not Japanese, really, Indonesian and British. I rap in Indonesian a lot. Sorry, that's my brain farting. Right. Indonesian a lot, submit. Okay, cool. And that's it. That was not a long time, guys. You literally saw me. I saved that for the live because upon applying for Shuriken Sounds, I thought, well, that's too easy. So there's an opportunity straight away. Okay, so let's have a look at the platform itself. It is very, very easy to use. I am now going to sign up for Vault because I've already signed up with Shuriken Sounds. So all I do is this. I go here. I go log in. Are you ready? Are you ready? Look at this. No MetaMask. No talk of Phantom Wallet. Just sign in with Google or sign in with Apple. So let's sign in with Google. I've not created an account yet. And then sign in with ninjat0161@gmail.com because that is my email.
This is the future of Web3. This right here.
And that's it. And that's it. It's done. It's done. I now have an account. So you can download the app on App Store or Google Play. I have it on my phone. I will share it on my phone in a second. What I'm about to do right now is that I'm going to go mint me a free NFT. So let me go mint this one right here. Big ups to Connor Evans. Okay. I minted Connor Evans's single on Shuriken Sounds, and I'm about to mint it on Ninja T. And again, I have just created a Ninja T account right now. You saw me apply right now. I've just signed up right now. Rapido. If you blinked, you missed it. Rewind the video, right? So, click here. Let me mint the NFT. I can even claim it as a gift, which is amazing. Let's claim it as a gift. Let's claim it as a gift for Blockchain Sensei. Receipt's
Sick.
first name. We'll give it to Michael. Michael,
Oh, thank you.
it's all right, mate. Hello, blockchainsensei.com. My name is Fadlan. Gift message. Here you go, big bro.
Much.
So I've gifted one to Blockchain Sensei, and then I'm going to claim one for myself. Give it a second. Your digital music collectible gift has been sent. An automated email with instructions on how to claim their vault will be sent to the recipient. After the recipient successfully claims their vault, we'll email, okay, amazing. And let me just stop sharing the screen for a second because I don't want to show you everything going on in our company email. But I will load up that individual email just so we can see what gift Blockchain Sensei has received.
So hold on a minute.
Okay.
Hold on a minute. You see that free mint? Was you not charged to mint it at all?
No. Because
Shit.
it is completely Web2 friendly, my friend. You don't need a wallet. Okay.
This platform is crazy.
So Mr. Harding has received a gift from me, right? Michael, someone sent you a gift. Here you go, big bro, by Fadlan. Let's claim the gift. Let's claim
That
it.
is the easiest way to onboard people I have ever seen.
Look, it even
my
has a
fucking
mint
life.
address, right? Look. I can copy this and go to Solana Explorer.
That is insane.
Right, let's
You know the amount of
go
people
to.
you could onboard through this into Web3 and they wouldn't even know that they're in Web3.
Yeah, that is insane.
If you
So-
got an email from a certain celebrity that you're a big fan of, people would buy this.
Absolutely.
just
It's
check-
It's user friendly. It's just shortcut the whole process.
Yeah. So now
And it's on chain.
let's just check the.
Is that transaction on chain?
Yeah, I'm checking, aren't I? So
Mad.
there we go. My Chemical Bromance
That is actually mad.
edition #104. It exists on the Solana blockchain. It is verified on explorer.solana.com. For all the noobs here, all transactions on the blockchain are public and immutable. They are public, so anyone can view it, and it's immutable, i.e. you can't change it. So there's identical websites for each blockchain. For Ethereum, it's Etherscan. For Binance Smart Chain, it's BSC Scan. And for Solana, you go to explorer.solana.com. There's other Solana Explorers. I just like this one. And
All right,
as you
you're
can
gonna
see,
have to buy one in fiat because I need to see how smooth this process is.
sure, we will buy one in fiat for sure. So as you can see, I gifted Mr. Hardin an NFT with absolute ease, right? And then what I'm going to do very quickly is I'm going to get an edition for myself. Let me just claim my edition.
Because that was
I feel like I'm
relatively easy.
I feel like I'm rinsing Connor Evans here. Right, so the vault. Okay, now the NFT is mine, and what I can do is that I can click here, and then I can go to my collection, and I can literally see it here. But if I wish, I can connect to Phantom Wallet.
What happens when you do that?
Let me do that actually. I might have to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to search for this for this password. I can't remember.
Let me try it on
Okay,
my
so
phone.
as you can see, collecting an NFT is very easy. Now let's buy an NFT with fiat. Let's find a cheap one. Now let's find one that I like. I will support, since there's only 2 hip hop artists, I will support Sive 2. Let me spend $5 on Sive 2. So Live at Heaven Can Wait, purchase for myself. So I can pay with crypto, but I'm going to choose to pay with
Credit
with a
card.
debit card.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm not gonna enter my card. Oh, well, actually, it's kind of safe because you guys cannot see the other numbers. But I will stop sharing my screen because I don't want to give away my card number. Let me just go pay for that. 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm paying for it right now. Entering my card details. I click pay. Oh, 1 second, guys. I need
Verify
to
that
approve it
payment.
on my little Starling app. 1 second. Did I enter the right digits? Okay, that's the right digit. Yeah, for sure. Okay. Oh, okay, gotta enter postcode. Give me a sec, guys. I'm just paying for this with fiat currency. And 3, 2, 1, it is done. I now own another NFT. That was
That
too
was
easy.
wild.
Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna enter this room with my phone, and I'm going to share the application on my mobile phone. Let me just jump in.
Let me mute you.
I hope you guys are.
Sorry, I muted you because you're coming in through on your phone. So we don't want the feedback.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
There we go.
It should be fine because I'm not going to turn my phone speaker on. Oh my God! Look, there's 2 of me. Right, 1 second. Okay, so let me share my screen. All right, everybody can see my mobile phone screen.
Yep.
Okay, this is how easy it is to download Vault Music. You go to the Google Play Store or App Store. You type in Vault Music, and it's literally there. And there's only, in fact, I'm going to uninstall it just to show you guys how easy it is. Let's go. Let's approach this. So first of all, look, it's only got
There's less than
1,000.
1,000 downloads. Oh my God.
Exactly. We are putting you guys on.
This
Right, so
is early.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
Oh my God. How is it this clean? I've seen Web3 music platforms that have got way more users and their UX is dead compared to this.
Good. Okay, so let's open the app.
I'm not gonna lie, this is actually the best Web3 music platform I've ever seen.
Yeah, we got to do our next release on here. What do you guys reckon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's
Right,
a
so I'm
must.
going to log in, sign in with Google. Obviously, I have an account at shurikensounds@gmail.com. I've got Ninja T. I'm going to log into the Ninja T one because this one I have purchased. I've got like 3 NFTs now. I had 0 NFTs at the start of the stream. Now I've got, what, 2 or 3?
Now, you know
And an
what?
account.
I wouldn't even recommend to any other artist to use any other platform apart from this now.
Okay, so let's have a look at our friend Connor Evans. Now, what I like is they've created like a portal where you unlock where they make it easy to experience some kind of mini metaverse on your phone, right? In the sense that like you unlock or mini world, whatever the correct terminology is. So swipe to reveal, swipe up. I've got edition 104, and then I can even share it with ease on social media.
Yo, this
So I can
experience is sick.
I can download. And this is what I like. Connor is smart because Connor gave you the NFT for free, but then he advertises his album.
Mad.
Which you can buy for £4.99. And as you can see, he's actually sold 32% of his album. So big ups to Connor. I will buy your album after this stream because I don't want to enter my card details again right now. I'll start sharing my screen. So then, where's my other NFT? Okay, cool. So Scythe 2, let's unlock. Let's have a look. Swipe to reveal. It's kind of fun.
Mate, this UI UX is insane.
Let's share it. So more. I keep forgetting. Twitter is now X, isn't it?
Yeah.
Post. I'm like, look, I can even at him, Scythe 2. Yo, big ups to Scythe 2. Proud NFT owner. Fellow NFT music. What's that word? Enthusiast. Shuriken Sounds. Cool.
This is so far ahead of the game.
Gave him some little promo. This is dope. And then we click on it.
Nah, it's that little white light. It's so sick.
Yeah, it's sick. It's nice. Give this a second.
This is set
I
a
think
whole new bar.
I think my phone's just processing a lot right now because I'm tweeting and I'm streaming, so it might be a
And
bit
you're
too heavy.
and you're stepping.
Right. Anyway, I feel like you guys have seen enough when it comes to the phone app. Obviously, my vaults is where where your NFTs are stored. The discoveries. I mean, there is not a lot of artists on here. Okay, I am pretty sure that through our relationships and the fact that our music as Shuriken Sounds the Collective and my music, in my opinion, obviously music is subjective, is dope. I'm pretty sure we have a high likelihood to be approved on this platform. I don't see why we wouldn't. But only time will tell, so we'll give you the update with regards to that. So, okay, so what else we got? What else we got? It's relatively self-explanatory. Let's just I mean, not self-explanatory, but we've covered most things about this platform already. But let's just dive a little deeper. So let's just recap the past half an hour or 25 minutes because we spent 5 minutes waiting for people. So I showed you guys, you go to vault.fan and I applied. What did that take? 4 minutes? 4 minutes to apply? All right, cool. That's done. How long did it take me to sign up? 15 seconds, if that. How long did it take me to get an NFT? 10, 15 seconds, if that. How long did it take me to buy an NFT? Less than 30 seconds. How long did it take me to install and find the app and sign in? 1 minute, if that. Speed. We love it. We love it. We love it. What else? Obviously they've got their socials. I kind of like the fact that there's not that much engagement on their social media, but their content is genuinely dope. That shows that to me is an indication of spotting something that's undervalued, like Blockchain Sensei, like Shuriken Sounds. We're extremely undervalued. I think the last point that I really want to make is just checking out their investors. So I'm going to be honest. I'm not too familiar with these companies. Maybe Mr. Harding, you have some insight, but I do not recognize any of these companies.
Never.
So I thought let's wrap up by quickly having a peep at their investors. Unless there's anything specifically about the platform that you feel like we really need to cover, but I feel like we covered it.
Just to reiterate, the reason it's called Vault is because when you buy NFTs on this platform, you're not getting the music, you're getting keys to a vault that have content inside it. So you're basically purchasing a key that will open up the vault like you saw, and that vault could have access to a WhatsApp group, could have song lyrics, could have photos from the tour, could have whatever. So the potential of what someone could do with their vault in terms of what they give to their fans is unlimited.
Yeah. Also, just to plug in, we teach this time and time again at Blockchain Sensei. When researching a company, go straight to the horse's mouth, aka the CEO. One thing that I do like about Solana is that their official YouTube channel highlights a lot of developers and CEOs developing on Solana. So if you wanna know more, I've almost finished the CEO who's called Nigel Eccles.
Let me just add this guy.
Sorry?
Let me just add him on LinkedIn because he's a beast.
Yes. Oh yeah. And there's another Web3 hack. We're networking. Add CEOs on LinkedIn. That's one of our little sources. But
especially when the company's small.
This is my best piece of information so far. There's not too much on YouTube about the platform, but yeah, always go straight to the horse's mouth rather than go to an alternative YouTuber who's merely talking about the platform. And yeah, finally, let's have a look at the investors. And then we have Cairo Sean, who will speak a little bit about his experience with So Rare, as he's already made money on So Rare.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
I feel like that is a live testimonial on somebody taking action. So let's just quickly peep these VCs. I think it's good to just download these little data sets of who's who in the world of venture capital. So let's start off with placeholder. Again, I'd never heard of any of these VCs before, but I think it's just good to, it's good to see who's invested in what. And if we come across another platform who have mutual investors as Vault, that's a green flag. Because immediately we were wowed from knowing about Vault 10 days ago, and now me doing this research and presentation. So Placeholder. Placeholder is a venture capital firm that invests in decentralized networks and Web3 services. So a VC that's specializing in Web3, that's amazing. Partners Joel Monegro and Chris manage the firm, with Brad Burnham as venture partner and Mario Law leads governance research and investment due diligence. Shelley Gogol runs the firm's operations. And guess what? If you just open these up in a new tab, you can just find these people working in VC very easily. Or you can just add them on LinkedIn. Since 2017, we've invested in over 60 early stage companies and networks, including, and then all these
Aragon.
companies here, including
Cosmos.
Solana themselves.
Solana, Bitcoin, obviously.
And Vault.
Kusama. Go back. Let's see. Polygon, nice. MakerDAO, nice. Zcash, nice. Uma, nice. ZK Sync, nice. Yeah, these guys definitely made some peas.
Yeah, I mean, since 2017, you definitely made some peas, for sure.
Oh, shit. These guys made peas.
Yeah. So
Yo, imagine early investor in Kusama. Mad.
you're crazy up. You're crazy up. For those that don't know, Kusama is am I correct in saying it's a Polkadot layer 2? Or am I incorrect?
It's Polkadot testnet.
Say again?
So it's a Polkadot testnet. So things get tested on Polkadot first before they get brought over to Polkadot.
You mean they get tested on Kusama first and then
Yeah.
put on Polkadot? Yeah.
So, and they were looked at earlier. Nah, these guys are differently up. Are they from the UK?
Say again?
Are they from the UK?
Are they UK based? Let's have a look.
They're still UK based.
I'm not sure about their location. But anyway, let's not go too much into placeholder. I just thought I would plug that. I haven't done my research on them. I just thought I would highlight 1 out of 5 investors, and then let's highlight the other investors. Then we've got Amity Ventures. So let's have a look. Purposeful partners, lasting relationships. These guys don't seem to have too much information about themselves. We support founders in building category-defining businesses. We don't divide our time among many. We focus on a select few. Yeah, these guys don't give too much away, but let's have a look at their portfolio. They don't seem ditto. Do they mean like the music ditto? No.
That is a platform. That is a platform.
Sorry, say again?
Ditto was a platform.
Okay. Well, they don't have Vault on their website. But yeah, that's one VC to look out for. And then after that, we've got Courtside. Courtside VC is a leading early stage fund focused on sports, lifestyle, and gaming. We partner with early stage founders who are challenging the traditional definition of sports, lifestyle, and gaming. These spaces are major areas of growth. Also, I picked this up on the official Vault CEO interview with Solana, and he said that they're looking to explore how artists on Vault can be positioned in the Solana gaming ecosystem. So I suppose that contributes towards Courtside VC investing in them, I'm assuming. So they've got 80 plus active investments, $9 billion enterprise value of in terms of their portfolio. They've raised 1.5 billion. Let's have a look at their portfolio.
They did nice for their investors.
Say again?
They did nice for their investors.
Oh yeah.
Oh my days.
view the portfolio. So they've invested in.
Oh, StockX
Ooh.
different. Oi,
Oh,
they
wow.
noised it. They noised it of StockX.
Exited via secondary. So that's basically seed A, right?
Yeah. They did nice there. They did nice.
Okay. Acquired by
100 as
Microsoft.
well.
Very nice.
Yeah, these guys know what they're doing.
Okay, they've not put Vault in their public portfolio. Let's have a quick look. India.
Now these guys got some
Right,
big wins.
cool. And then what else we got? We got a couple more. We got a couple more VCs. We got Bullpen Capital.
Noble.
So Bullpen Capital launched 10 years ago, and our goal was to back overlooked entrepreneurs left behind by the latest Silicon Valley fads. Since then, without compromising on that vision, we've invested in over 100 startups. Our portfolio spans all categories, even those underappreciated ones, from fantasy sports to data center equipment to restaurant SaaS. So these guys are not technology specific. Our companies are started by diverse founders who discovered product market fit. All right. And then these are all the companies.
I've not heard of any of these, but these guys like bare niches. Now you wouldn't have heard of any of these because they're all like super niches.
That's what I mean. If anyone wants to dive further, here is the team. Here's the team, and what happens if you click here? All right, cool.
Mad.
Yeah, this is the bad thing about doing research. You end up just in a
Now
a wormhole.
From Ventures, so this is I'm interested.
So the interesting about CRCM Ventures is that to go to their website, look at this, you have to log in.
Mad.
You need to
Shadow
be an
man.
investor to log in.
Nah, do you know what this means? This means these men are different.
Right.
Different. That means they've got okay. Normally when that kind of thing happens, it means that they're actually an arm of a bigger firm like BlackRock or whatever. They're like a sidearm.
Yeah, like a VC subsidiary.
Yeah.
All right.
237 investments.
Look at this, 237 investments, but they've only got 119, so they've exited 92 of them.
Yeah, see what I mean? This is a straight glove.
This sounds like VC pumpy dumpy, bro.
92 exits. Are you mad?
They done the dash. They done the dash.
Man got 92.
Right. Let's have some fun. Cairo, are you there, my friend?
That's mad.
Yes,
Bro, did they get 92 exits?
Would you mind coming on camera so everybody can see your beautiful face? Miss Harding, could you make him come just in case he wants to share his screen?
I can't show face. I can't show face right now.
First,
you can't show face.
Don't show face.
Not in the best setting.
Can you share your results on your phone?
Yeah, I'm on my computer right now, so yeah, I can pull up so real quick.
All right, cool.
Perfect.
Show people, because people think
show us the results, man.
People thought we
We're
were
not just theory
nonsense.
guys.
Because, bro, I've been so alone in this so rare space.
Oh,
He's been alone. Mr. Harding needed a so rare NFT friend, and me and Keish are not the suitable candidates because we're not a football man then. So I'm glad you two got that thing to bond over.
It's been fun so far.
Have you submitted your team for this week? Because I ain't done it yet. I'm going to do it after this call.
I have, yeah. I've submitted a legendary team as well.
Oh, swear. Moving like that, yeah?
Yeah, so let me share my screen quick. I'll show you my cards and my collection right now.
Let's get it.
Before you do that, what was your total investment?
Around 350.
Okay, so you went in a little.
Yeah, I went pretty heavy initially.
Mhm.
And then I started, tracking back, selling a few players for profits and stuff. Because
Oh, nice.
a few of the players that I bought actually performed well on the weekend. Um, Now it would have made sense to keep some of these players, but some other ones were injured on the weekend. Uh,
Mm.
so yeah, I've got this Rude Hullet card.
So
Not
you
sure
say
if you
there's
guys
a
see the screen.
profit in just buying players before the games and then selling them after the games?
Yeah, so that's one of the ways that I was able to get profits. You know, if you're lucky, or if you know ball, like if you know a player's like due to perform on the weekend, because they're fit and they're ready,
Mhm.
um, then yeah, like that's one way to go about it. Um,
Okay, interesting.
Also, like for example, like I know that Olivier Giroud is performing really well. He's been scoring a lot of games recently. Um, One way that I basically track his performance is through a website called So Rare Data.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
Have you got the paid version?
yeah, I do. I
Yeah,
actually grab
yeah,
the
yeah,
paid
yeah.
version. It's a no-brainer. It's the best way to track player performance. Let me quickly
Well,
change.
now that I've thought about it, why are we both paying for it?
Oh, true, true.
We'll
Yeah,
have
you
to
man
discuss
might as
that
well
then.
share.
Yeah, we may as well. But yeah, if I was to search Olivier Giroud, him and Osimhen, they're arguably the two best forwards in the Italian league.
Mhm.
So if you look at his L5, this is his last 5 games. He's averaging a score of 60. So like he's currently priced at $27, but this wasn't the case even just last week. If we look at his auctions, his price has been going up, 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 up. So at this, literally at the end of August, he was going for,
Mm.
let's have a look in dollars, just so it's about the same. His price was around 26. Now it's up at 28. That's how much he was going for. So that's a $2 jump. But again, if he was to keep performing really, really well in 2 months, that could be $35. So again, that's
Yeah,
profit
yeah, yeah.
on
I
the
see
player.
you, see you.
And that's not
Wait, so
even
you can actually buy the dip on a player?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the
that's
maddest thing
mad.
about it.
That's mad. Like, if you're actually clued up on football, this is actually daylight robbery.
Yeah. Now, the only place where I went wrong initially, so like I did take a few losses initially, but I think the best thing to do is basically just look out for a player. Like for example, Idris Adana Gay, yeah, this player here is not the best player to have in the squad because he plays in a team, that's not in the best form, which is why his price is so low as well. You need to
Mm.
look at, if he's like arguably the best player in the squad, you need to know if he's actually a starter as well. Because if you're buying a substitute, your player is less likely to get points on the weekend. They're less likely
Mm.
to play games and start games and then score goals as well.
Mhm.
So you need to look out for that as well. You also need to make sure that there's a green tick here so that the player has no suspension or injury. If it's orange, it means that that player has been injured, so they're less likely to even play games and then get points as well.
Okay.
So yeah, again, looking at his points here, he's got a few like peaks here and there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here
Couple
and there.
couple games ago, he didn't have the best score, but like his L5 and L15 in particular, his last 15 games is average of
So is
50.
it kind of like the moving average? So you take the L5 as the moving average, and then you want to cop them when they're below their moving average,
Yeah,
expecting that they're going to move up.
yeah, exactly that. So
Okay, so like his
Wow.
L5 is 52. So
yeah,
if you go to his scores again,
hmm
scroll down, so you can see he was at a 25 the other day.
yeah, like a 28.
So that would have been a good time to buy him and then flip
Mhm.
him when he goes back up.
Yeah, exactly. And just to verify that, yeah, let's look at that time, that point. That was game week 399. Yeah, if we go over to the price graph, we can see as well that his price was dipped, so it was low here as well. So if you
Ah,
bought him a couple games ago when his price was lower, he was going for $3, and now he's priced at like six, priced at
mad,
$6.
mad. Right, that's it. I'm taking this thing way more seriously.
But
I
on a
didn't even know it was
2x? You
like
could
that.
on a 2x?
Exactly, 2x on a player. Not to
That's
mention, yeah,
crazy.
if you put this in the same demographic or the same like principle with the rarer cards, the rare cards are even more expensive. You know, so
Mad.
again, a couple weeks ago he was auctioning at $29. Now he's going for $48.
Mad.
So you can flip these players. You get
Nah, mad,
you can
mad.
just play
Nah, people are dumb.
based on your
I
ball knowledge
don't
and
care now.
performance.
Anyone doing fantasy league is a dickhead. Beef me. Beef me if you want to beef me. Beef me. I'm saying it straight with chest. If you are doing fantasy league and you're a football man and you know stats and you know players and you are not doing so rare, you're chiefing yourself.
That's it. So yeah, these are my lineups. These are the players in my squad. The best way to go about it with these amateur ones is basically not to bank on it too much because there's a lot of people competing here, as you can see.
Yeah.
And then like
I think that's where people get distracted. They put a lot of time and energy into these squads,
yeah,
even though these squads ain't gonna really do you nothing.
yeah, they're not really. In all honesty, they're not because there's just so many people competing. Again, Premier League with 100,000 people, that's a
Yeah,
lot.
it's a
You
myth.
know,
Last year when no one was playing, when we were telling people,
yeah,
maybe. This year,
yeah,
nah.
exactly. So the word has spread quite quickly. But the Legends Challenge, you know, there's only 2,000 people competing. Now, the
Mm.
the prize pool for that is what? It's about 100 people. So you've got a 10%, a 5% chance in actually getting rewards.
Mm.
But like
Okay.
if your ball knowledge is good, like I've got this Japanese player from the K League who actually performs really, really well. He's got a high
L5.
high L5 and a high L15 as well. And he's a starter for his squad. And he's in the
Mad.
team in his league as well. And he plays regular. So again, as you can see, his L
67.
67, 65, and he's going for
Jeez.
$30. When I bought him, I think I bought him a couple weeks back for around 30. If we can just verify this by checking how much I actually grabbed him for. I believe I grabbed him for about 30, but he's been performing like really well, scoring goals,
86s. Raw.
86s. So he's peaking pretty high as well. And he's going up for £28, you know. So
Mad.
yeah. And I think that's probably the best. The Legends Challenge is probably the best one to get. The main reason why is because if you get a legend from a team that performs really well, so for example, like a Ruud Gullit, who plays for PSV, you know, PSV is arguably easily the best team in the Eredivisie, the
But
Netherlands league. Then you've got Beckenbauer, who is a
jeez,
Bayern Munich
Bayern Munich
legend.
thing.
Yeah, Bayern
Yeah,
Munich is set to, you know, perform every week.
run things.
Yeah, so literally, if you've got a Bayern Munich legend, you're set to get high scores. If we also look at his let's actually look at his point system and everything, how much he's getting. He's averaging 72s.
Mad.
Crazy numbers. Now I did
Man, wait. Go back. Go back to this. Yeah, I've got to really deep this. So Franz Beckenbauer, L5 72. Go down.
Yeah.
Let me see the prices.
100.
So when was his biggest dip? The biggest dip was when he was at like 42. Go down again.
Price graph. So if we go to the price graph here, let's change it to dollars or pounds even.
So it was August. August was the biggest dip.
Yeah, August he was going for £29. Even back here, he was going for £21.
How much is he now?
He's currently priced at £33.
33. What's his all-time high?
All-time high is 45. So to be honest, I actually did make quite a mistake. I bought him around here.
Okay, and you can see the average line as well in it.
Yeah, you can. So I wasn't following this at the initial point, but I'm still keeping the card because obviously, like he's a legend. He's due to perform really well,
Okay.
and I think the price ended up going down because you know August is an odd time and the league hasn't really come into fruition yet.
Yeah.
Also,
Okay, what I want to see is go to the rarer versions of Beckenbauer. I want to see what the P's are saying.
yeah. So he was priced at 227.
Oh, there's not even that many people shifting him, is there?
No, there's not that many. Like these rare cards are hard to come by these days, and I think it's mainly just because a lot of players are using these rare cards as well,
Okay.
in their games and in their lineups.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But yeah, I think
Mm,
I grabbed a lot of players at the wrong time, and I think it was just mainly just because a lot of people were getting in the new season, and also
okay.
because now there's new cards coming into play and into the market.
So
Um,
spotting them below average is the one.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. You want to grab them, below these prices here.
Okay.
Yeah, but flipping cards, buying cards, at these ranges, at these prices, um, is the perfect move. Also, what you want to do is take into account when these players are like these next players' games. So, for example, these points here are like all of these are the players' next games, right? And these numbers here are what they are predicted to score. That's the average based on like the difficulty or based on like the skill level of each of these teams. So Leipzig is a much better team than Leverkusen right now, for example. So the average player is going to score about a 40. However, Beckenbauer's point system and all of the legends basically score points based on like the highest like scoring player in that squad. So say for instance, Harry Kane scored, 2 goals. He scores 99 points. Beckenbauer will score the same amount of points in that game.
Mad.
And as you can see here, Beckenbauer.
Oh nah. You know what? There's a couple man that said to me, "I'm not on it because it's fantasy football. I don't even like fantasy football." Now this isn't even fantasy football. Now this is scouting.
Yeah, it is. It's exactly that. It's exactly
So
that. So what
now I'm
you
gonna
can
have to
also
holler at
do,
all these people and go, "Look, yeah, you weren't on it because it was fantasy football. What if I told you you could just buy players that you've been watching and they're sick, spot when they're undervalued, and then flip them when they're valued?"
yeah, exactly that. So what you can also do is actually scout players up here based on their rankings
Mad.
as well. So and then you can create a watch list of all the players that you've got. I've actually got I kid you not, I've currently got a Google spreadsheet of like all players that are like, you know, bound to score well. I've got them based on value and based on their L15s and like their lowest points as well. So currently the highest scoring player right now is Lionel Messi. He's absolutely bossing the MLS right now. Kylian Mbappe, of course, is gonna do well. Then we've also got Malcolm, who's currently playing in the Saudi league. Rafael Guerrero scoring crazy, crazy points. If we look at his card, he's got a crazy, crazy L5 and L15. However, he's actually back from his injury right now.
Okay.
He was recently injured, and I saw his
Oh, look
card.
at that dip. Look at that dip there. Oh my days, there's a big dip. Oh my god, that's a flip. Go to that dip in August 29th.
Where are we at? August 29th. Yeah, yeah. So I think that's actually when his injury was announced.
So $18, and then how much is he now?
He's at 34 now.
Okay, go to the rarer version of him.
Yeah, he's going for 212, and then 226, 218. Yeah, but I think again he was actually injured for one point, and his price dipped. His price dipped up quite a bit. So he was going for £24, £26, and then recently he just sold for £34 because he's back and playing games. But his actual L15 score is ridiculous as well. So yeah, you can see these DNPs means he did not play. You also want to take into account if players have this as well, and if they have a lot of this, it's because they're not playing games, and so they're less likely to score points. So you don't want to get players that have DNP.
Do you
But
know
yeah,
what I realized about this? If you're working at an actual football club, this is mad insider trading.
oh yeah, absolutely.
Like if you're actually in a football club and you know which players ain't gonna get played or which players are on form,
Mm.
it's wild what you can do with this.
Yeah, you can create squads with your own teammates, and basically just legit just follow form of players and stuff like that. I'd say arguably the best teams to follow are Atletico Madrid, um currently West Ham and Aston Villa as well, because they're playing in like the Europa League and the Champions League, so they're going to be playing a lot more games as well, which means a lot more competitions to enter.
Interesting, interesting, interesting. I want to see your cards, bro.
Cards. Let's go to cards.
Yo, I was gonna 43, 43.
Yeah. So I got 43 limiteds right now. I'll be honest, I bought quite a few of these, like the high scoring players at a bit of their peak, at their peak prices.
Was that before you understood how to use Sorare data?
It was before. Yeah, it was before.
Okay.
So it was a rookie mistake. But I'm gonna keep and hold on to these players for a bit longer. I've got Fernando Muslera. Goalkeepers are actually very, very expensive in this game.
Bro, they are, you know. And
Yeah,
most of the competitions you can't enter without a goalkeeper.
No, absolutely not. You can't. It's pretty much
Peak.
you can enter competitions with, you know, 2 defenders or 2 midfielders or 2 forwards, but you need to have a goalkeeper in your squad. I've got Christian Romero, who I think is going to play really well this season for Spurs. He's their main defender in the back line. It's good to compete with under 23 players, because there's a specific competition that allows you to compete with players that are under 23 years old. I don't personally, even though I think only about 8,000 people compete in the competitions. It's just because a lot of average players are priced like ridiculously high. So there's a bit more risk there.
Okay.
However, there
are Antonio you got there.
Yeah, further down. Yeah, I've got this Antonio.
Jeez.
Who's due to play really well for West Ham.
He's got his Cruise. You got a Cruise for £7.
Yeah, bro. Tony Cruz is a baller as well. I was actually shocked that I grabbed him.
57, his L5. Nah, mad. Steal.
Yeah, really good. Really, really good. I've got a couple players here. Maximilian Witek. He's got a really good L5, L15. Alexander Grant, really good as well. So like I'd say the J League, K League, like the Japanese league, they're also good competitions. There's a competition called the let's have a look what it's called again.
Wait. I wanted to see which one of your cards has got the highest L5.
Oh, you can actually
you rank that?
Yeah, you can rank them. So you've got the highest average score. I think it's Ruud Gullit. Yeah, it's Ruud Gullit, then Lionel Messi.
Beckham back. Oh, you got a Trent as Trent's in your silvers.
Yeah, Trent's in silvers. But you know what? Trent's been dodgy for Liverpool in the back.
Yeah, he has.
I'm probably gonna use my points. With these points here, you can buy swaps as well. I've already used all of my swaps, but you can buy more swaps. Like you get these coins by you win these coins by basically, you know, winning competitions.
Yeah.
And then you can buy these swaps for each league as well. So the swaps are only 100 coins. So I'm probably gonna get a couple swaps and swap out Trent, because I don't think he's gonna perform amazingly well. He's probably gonna have like a decent L5 here and there. But
you know why I'm pissed? Because the first person I was gonna buy as a card was Jude Bellingham.
Is it? Why
yeah.
didn't you?
I just chickened out. I was like, what if he doesn't perform that well at Madrid? And now he's just murking it.
He's absolutely balling right now.
He's unbelievably balling.
He is. If you was to get anyone else as well, and if you're following the Italian league, get Victor Osimhen. He's
Osimhen. My money's on Osimhen, Tchouaméni. What's mine? Not Kingsley Coleman. What's the other one from Munich?
Leroy Sané.
Nah, not even Sané. The fast one, the Canadian one.
Oh, Alphonso Davies.
Bro. Yeah. Davies and Kane. Them man have got a synergy, bro.
They are due to do absolute damage right now.
So go check in, please. Go check out Davies.
I believe see how much Davies got 80 pounds right now.
I might have to be the flip, you know. That might have to be the flippers.
It wouldn't be a bad shout because he's arguably the best defender in the world right now. He's actually 68 pounds. But one thing also to take into account is that when you buy the older cards, so this one's a 2021 to 22, you have a lower percentage score. So if you get the latest one, and also if your player is leveled up, where does it say the levels? It should say what rank they are, level they are.
No ways Alfonso Davis under 23.
Yeah, he is. I believe he's 23 years old.
Oh my God. So if I buy him now, I get him for his whole career.
Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
That is mad.
So Davies and Kane is due to get a new card as well.
You guys are literally tapping into a whole new subculture of NFT football people.
Yeah, and that's the thing.
It's gonna blow. It's inevitable. Like inevitable.
Yeah, for sure. Biggest sport in the world.
Yeah,
it can't not blow.
And I believe it will mainly blow because of this guy here.
Now we'll think about it, right? One of the first successful NFT collections was NBA Top Shot. And that wasn't in the previous bull run. That was in the bull run before. That was in the 2018 bull run. So if it can work for basketball, it can work for football. And football is bigger than basketball.
Yeah.
Or soccer for the Americans rewatching this.
This has got Lionel Messi and Zidane promoting it. Even if you don't know anything about football, if Lionel Messi says go and buy this, people are gonna buy it.
Bro, I'm seeing Sora billboards in big games now. I saw a highlight of Memphis Depay playing for Atletico Madrid, and they're so rare billboards. Like they're so rare on the billboards.
Mad.
But another crazy thing is, right, Lionel Messi's price like fluctuates quite a lot. Because I remember seeing this card at £199 the other day. So that would have been a flip of £20 right there.
Nice.
Because his card is going up and down right now. Look, you see it
just
going up and down and up and down. If we zoom in here to 1 week, his price was someone sold their Messi for 106. That is ridiculous.
Oh my God.
But yeah, so this one was going for 194.
Flipping a week on a Messi.
Yeah, that might have been a mistake from someone.
That's definitely a mistake.
That must have been a mistake.
That person's hurt, bro. Go to the higher rarities of Messi.
It's all-time high if we go back to 3 months.
Oh my days.
These also must have been a mistake. Someone was definitely moving something.
800. Oh my God.
For a limited as well. But recently,
go to rare. I want to see.
That's a crazy.
What was the low? What's the low?
All-time low. The lowest one I can see is around here. 924.
Oh, bro. A 2K flip in a week.
Yeah.
On a football card.
It's insane.
Are you mad?
It is insane.
Bro, people are sleeping.
That's it. But I honestly don't know who's buying a card at that price. That is quite insane. You know, I think a lot of things to consider is definitely this line here, because that's the average.
Yeah, average. Okay, now I want to see the next level above. I'm curious. Because if people are moving like that.
Yeah, so these are the super rare cards.
So that's 6K. 6.
This one's 9.
9. Still 2K flip.
So yeah, if we look here actually to see if there's a rare Messi card, let's see. Actually, that's
still 2K in a week, you know.
Yeah, it's insane. There actually isn't a rare or super rare Messi card as well on the market. There's only limited, so yeah, now would probably be a decent time to buy Messi, you know, because the end of this season's coming. Of the American League is coming. That's coming in like October, and then the new season is going to start again in the MLS around February. So Inter Miami is like set to perform really well, because their transfer window is opening up in January as well. I reckon they're due to really bring in some good players into that team. And just,
do you reckon there's going to be a Saudi league? So rare.
Yeah, they absolutely have to. I reckon they absolutely have to, because so many players are moving to the Saudi league. It's only right that they make it happen.
Bro, Saudi league so rare is gonna be Fun.
That's gonna be a game changer. I reckon it's probably gonna drop next year, but it should
And
come.
all the Saudis will get in on so rare, and then it's done.
Yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for everyone.
Then no one's out. People won't be able to play.
No. No, it's definitely a wrap at that point. But if anyone's looking to compete or want to compete, good competitions that I would recommend, you know, at a lower level, is definitely the second division and the Champion America aren't too bad. Second division's okay because not many people compete. These are participants currently for September the 8th. That's another game week. But the ones coming up, so this one starts in 3 days. It's good to consider that, you know, this is quite early, so not a lot of participants are coming into the competitions just yet. I've actually taken myself out from these because these ones are more popular, but under 23 as well is quite popular. But the Asia Limited is one that I'm actually competing in. So I'm gonna see if there are players that I've currently got that are competing. Yeah, so if I was to submit a team, I can see here that these players don't actually have a game. So I wouldn't submit players that say NG because it means that then they don't have a game and they're not going to generate points for you. So I actually won't put that team forward. So if I just click X there, that means that team is not submitted. But yeah, in the following game week on September 15th, these are, you know, all of the teams that I'm going to be submitting as well. And yeah, so far so rare has been fun. It's actually funny, like just the fact that this is a fun experience to buy, collect cards, and then there's the bonus of it obviously being tied to NFTs as well. And actually, you know, injecting cash to buy cards is fairly easy as well. The way I do it is I just add funds through ETH. And
Do
then
it that way. I don't even do it that way, you know.
so yeah, I add ETH and then go bank transfer and then go through ramp. It's actually the easiest, quickest, and it doesn't charge you the most as well. It charges
See,
you.
I don't even do that. I only buy the cards if they're fiat.
Ah, okay.
And then once I do it that way, once I put my card details in, you can buy up to 25 cards without having to put your card details back in.
Okay. Right.
It's like bam,
That makes sense.
takes it, bam, takes it, bam, takes it.
Yeah. So usually I don't actually inject fiat in there. I usually go through ETH. I buy cards in ETH and sell cards for fiat. So yeah, I've actually got quite a few cards to list on the market again.
Yo, tomorrow I am gonna be hunting down. I'm gonna be the L5 sniper.
That's it. That is it. So I've got a few cards to list. Few cards that just aren't playing games or aren't performing too well. A lot of these ones have expired, some have sold. A lot have not actually sold yet, so I'm gonna go over that as well.
I'm gonna have to put this episode in the Telegram group because you've just dropped absolute game.
Yes, sir. That's it. So yeah, follow me up. I've only got one follower, but it's calm.
You're in our league, right?
Yeah, I'm in the league. Where am I? Where's the league?
Where are you in our league? You must be ranking pretty high.
No, I've just started, so I'm ranking pretty low actually. Let's go to leagues. Yeah, so it actually accumulates. So yeah, I've only got an average overall of 504.
Okay, yeah. Professor Wonderland is still murking everybody.
Yeah, he's still going crypto right now.
Oh no!
Boss, are you on Sora? He just asked what's your name on Sora?
I've been on Sora since you guys did the episode on Sora last year, bro.
Oh, wicked.
Why are you asking if Crypto Boss is on so rare?
I didn't know it was a football man.
Nah,
Who do you support?
he doesn't care. He just actions what we
I'm
say.
not a football guy, but whatever you guys do, I do it, guy. I think about it later on. I'm pretty active on it with the basketball, but I never.
Okay.
I mean, I have some football cards, but I'm gonna look into this football thing now.
If you're into basketball, I'd say basketball is a better shout. but absolutely.
Yeah, I really follow basketball. I think I have like 11 cards, so.
Yeah, go for basketball. I'd say go with what you know more so. And if you want to learn more about football, then go for football. Me personally, I haven't touched.
I wouldn't mind holding a Messi one. Yeah, for
No,
just for long term. You know what I mean?
Definitely hold a card of a player that like cool that plays.
Nah, you know what I'm gonna say to people? The cards that you want to hold long term aren't the old players. You want to get the young players because their cards work for their whole career. So if you can find a young player that's 18, 19 coming through now, like a Garnacho, like a Haaland, like let me think who else is young, like a Lamperty or like a Foden, their card is going to work for their entire career if you buy it now at the price they're at now. So whoever bought Jude Bellingham when he was at Dortmund and whoever bought Haaland when he was at Dortmund before they came to where they are now is taking the piss.
Let's look at that actually. Let's look at that. Jude Bellingham.
Someone's absolutely flipped mad racks on this flip.
Yeah, look at his L5. That is ridiculous. 90.
Oh, don't just buy it. What?
Yeah, so he scored 100, 179. Didn't play his first two, and it's just mainly because he's a newcomer. So when you see newcomer, it means that they've transferred to a new team.
Oh, bro, go to his prices. What have I missed out on?
2 goals and assist, man. Jesus. Yeah, price graph. To be honest, you haven't missed much, but that you see that steady from if you bought him at the start of August, and then now, whoa, no, that is mad. Mr. Harden, you missed out. I'm sorry. He's gone up by 100.
What's his all-time high?
All time is oh my goodness.
Oh,
190 quid, man. And even here, that was pretty high as well. That's a pretty high peak.
It's a sad day for me.
Yeah. But I reckon it's only gonna keep, going up higher. He's only gonna keep
show me the rarer ones. Show me the rare ones. I want to hurt myself.
Yeah, even here. Wow. 1,156. All-time high is 2,166. And currently last by 1,015. So $2,000.
I'm gonna call it that Jude Bellingham. Oh, now it's not even the Real Madrid one yet. The Real Madrid one ain't come out yet.
No, it hasn't. It hasn't come out yet. So all of these cards are set to drop, either in the middle or end of this month, latest by like October. Yeah. If you're another quick gem is if like you're looking for the best like goalkeepers or anything, the filters are the best things to do. You also want to make sure that they are in your game week as well. Hold on, it's just loading right now. So yeah, you want to make sure that they are in the latest game week. You want to go, make sure that they're in your league. So say for instance, you want to make a Bundesliga team and you want to find the best goalkeeper. You want to make sure that they're obviously within your budget. So here are the limited cards, 0.02, which is about, what's that, about £30. So this is the highest scoring in terms of L5 for your goalkeeper. And then yeah, you want to make sure that they've got like an average of 50, but also that they fit within your budget as well. So then when you go to your market now and you're looking to also buy players, one thing that I do, and this is what I didn't know when I was first buying players, this is when I was just going in heavy, is you want to make sure that your players are, playing in at least in the last 10 games and at least like 87 or 93% of their last 15 games as well. You want to make sure that this is how you filter out a starter from a substitute player as well. And you also want to make sure that the average score is around like above 45 at least.
Bro, the alpha you are giving right now is mad.
Yeah, so you wanna make sure that the average score is higher than 45 at the bare minimum. And that's how you filter out like the bad players and the substitutes from like the really, really good and high performing
What
players.
did I just say about Foden? 61 bags,
Yeah,
61 pounds.
that is crazy. But it's also just it's again because he's younger, and he's in a really, really good performing team. So he's bound to like play a lot of games and perform really well. Also, another thing to take into account is that Kevin De Bruyne is currently injured as well. So he's due to play a lot more games and perform in those ones as well. So yeah, Erling Haaland here, cheapest is 266. He's another player that's just gone up through the roof. So yeah, and then from there, again, if you want like a midfielder, striker, forward, you can also get coaches, but I don't know what they actually do as of yet.
Mad. All right, cool. We're gonna have to wrap this here because I've got to send this video off to bare people in football.
That is cool.
And tell them, look, take this seriously.
That's it.
100, bro. Big for that.
Go over this again, bro.
No worries. Thank you for having me.
Crazy.
This is getting clipped up. Caro, you don't even know, yeah? But Jay Johnson, current CTO Shuriken Sounds, new addition to Shuriken Sounds, is lining up to do a lot of content for Blockchain Sensei. Let's just say that. Had a big Blockchain Sensei content meet with Jay today, and with regards to reels. So yeah, you're getting reeled up, Cairo. That alpha's getting reeled up.
100.
It's not just for this little stream.
No,
I
cool.
appreciate
Cool. No, I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
Love for that, broski. Love for that. Yo, Crypto,
if
you have a question
if you could stay in your Zoom after the live.
Not really. I just have to go. I'm gonna go look for the old clip because what I did, my teams that I have for football, that all of them were created using Dan. Because remember what you did on that episode. So I'm gonna go back to that old episode and then rewatch this and combine and do my thing, bro. Great episode though. You don't know.
What a guy. My guy used Dan, Wow. I didn't even think of using Dan. Oh, that's mad. That's mad. Oh, you've just changed the game. That's a different boss move. And only those that know about Dan will know what that means. And that's where we end this episode. And also, I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna put it out there here as well. I've put it in our private dojo group, but I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna have it here so it's documented. I said it on the internet. Walmart and Roblox. Do not ignore them for this next 6 months. That's all I'm gonna say.
It's funny though. I bought 10 Roblox yesterday for my daughter. It was her 12th birthday, and she loves Roblox. I'm just saying.
All I'm gonna say is, you show me any country, city, platform that has 60 million users a day.
Takeover. That's a takeover.
That is more users than the United Kingdom has people.
Sheesh.
A day. And I've said it. I said it as a tweet. I think there is the potential that Roblox could start making more money than countries. Because right now they've got 60 million people. There's countries like Jamaica that got 5, 10. What's the population of Trinidad?
Only 1.5 million.
There we go. I hate to say it, but I think that Roblox could make more money in 2024 than the whole of Trinidad.
I think they're already making more money than the whole of Trinidad, bro.
Yeah, I think Roblox revenue is more than Trinidad as a country.
More than Trinidad. It's like 600 million a month, guy. Like US. It's ridiculous. I'm gonna do the research. I'm gonna find out how much money we actually make a month, and I'll let you guys know.
I worked it out. They've got a new AI service coming to Roblox, isn't it? And with this AI, it's voice command model making. If they charge £10 a month to 60 million people, That is 600 million a month extra they make overnight. If that happens, if they add an extra £10 subscription service, this stock is gonna go bananas.
Next question. Who really uses Roblox? That class of people is always gonna keep coming. And once they keep changing up, they're gonna be around for a while.
It's because people don't realize it's not a game. Roblox isn't a game. It's a social media platform.
It's
Just
not
like
a game, it's a social media platform.
Just like people think Tesla's a car company. Nah, Roblox ain't no game, fam. It's a social media and design company. That's what it is. But yo, when you see it and you're just like, ah. And then the Walmart game is Walmart have started doing food deliveries with drones.
Oh yeah, I've seen that.
Yeah, that's a mazza, bro. If they start doing 3D printed products and drone delivery, it's done. Like same day, same order, custom made, custom fit, bam. Different. But anyway, that's the game. That's the alpha. Chop it up, chop it up, chop it up. All right, safe peeps in a bit.
Yo,
Appreciate
Rashawn,
it.
if you could
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah.
See you,
Whilst we
bye.
kick him in.
Take
See
it
you.
easy.
Bezel. Stop. Actually, Ninja, I'll call you.
All right, say.